What if I told you that you can make more money, pay less in taxes, and have more stability by investing in multifamily real estate? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I'm going to show you why multifamily real estate is one of the best investments you can make in San Diego. And if you stay until the end, I will give you an insider tip that not many investors would know outside of America's finest city. So let's roll. I'm Carrie Gonzalez, an investor-friendly realtor here in San Diego. Today, I'm going to explain the 5 benefits of investing in multifamily real estate, which that includes everything from duplexes, quadplexes, triplexes, and apartment buildings of 5 units or more. I'm going to share with you some of the challenges and risks, as well as how you can address them. And we'll go over everything from tax benefits to appreciation and everything in between. First up is appreciation. This is probably the biggest reason people invest here in San Diego. Multifamily properties over 5 units can appreciate differently than single family because they're valued based on their income, not on comparable sales. You can force appreciation by making improvements, raising rents, or reducing expenses. Appreciation can also just occur over time as values increase, and San Diego has had higher appreciation rates than many other markets. In the last 10 years, according to Neighborhood Scout, San Diego real estate has appreciated 111%, which is an average of over 7% per year. Next up is stability. Multifamily properties are more stable and less risky than single-family properties because they have more diversified income streams and because they are less affected by market fluctuations. Multifamily properties can be easier to finance as lenders are more willing to lend to investors who can show consistent and reliable cash flow. The reason why banks like lending on multifamily is because if one unit is vacant, there's still other income coming in from other units to cover the debt service. Now we can discuss tax benefits. There are numerous tax benefits to owning real estate. I'm not a CPA, but you should talk to one about these benefits, and it can include things like writing off depreciation, repairs, or doing something called a cost segregation study. A cost segregation study examines each property element of your multifamily property and accelerates depreciation deductions for building components such as flooring, windows, fencing, and sidewalks, which results in a considerably shorter tax life for these components rather than the standard 27.5 to 39-year timeline. Now let's talk cash flow. Multifamily properties generate more income than single-family properties because they have more units that can be rented out and because they tend to have lower vacancy rates, as it's easier to find tenants for smaller, cheaper units. In San Diego, downtown has a lot of recent multifamily properties and units that have come on board, so vacancy is a little bit higher, but in general, vacancy rates in San Diego are around 3.9%, which is pretty low compared to the rest of the nation. Multifamily properties also have lower operating expenses per unit as they share common areas and utilities, which can increase cash flow too. Now we'll talk about economy of scale. Many landlords love multifamily because of economies of scale. For example, you can get a better rate on your property management if you have many units. Also, a lot of investors prefer to have all the units under one roof, so there's only one roof replacement to deal with. And here's the insider tip I promised you. I wanted to share this if you are a new investor or from outside of San Diego. Insurance is getting harder to find for apartment buildings, especially older buildings or areas in a high fire risk, which San Diego has a lot of both due to how difficult it could be to build new buildings here. In fact, some insurance companies are actually asking about the age of the roof for renewing policies on rental properties and won't insure if the roof is too old. So this shows the benefit to investing in multifamily buildings with only one roof. You only have one roof to replace rather than many single-family homes with many roofs to replace. As you can see, investing in multifamily real estate is a smart and profitable way to grow your wealth. Multifamily properties offer more cash flow, more appreciation, and more stability than single-family homes. And they're also easier to manage and finance. If you're interested in investing in multifamily real estate here in San Diego, you need to act fast as the market is very competitive. Contact me today so I can help you find, analyze, and acquire the best multifamily deals in San Diego. I'll put my contact information below, and I'm with the brokerage Simonowski and Associates. Talk to you soon.